Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Siri in your iPhone SE 2022. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Siri and search option. And here in the list, first option in the list will be listen for Hey Siri. So activate this option, tapping to switch. And now, how you can see, we got Set Up Hey Siri. So press continue. Now we must say Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri sent a message, Hey Siri, okay, one more time, Hey Siri sent a message. Now Hey Siri, how's the weather today? One more time, Hey Siri, how is the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And last one, Hey Siri, play some music. And how you can see, Hey Siri is ready to use. Click done. And that's it. Hey Siri. And how you can see, it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.